This is my video reflection for lesson 3. So in lesson 3, I understand the 5 elements and their interactions. So there's something called the producing cycle, whereby the receiving party increases in energy, whereas the giver decreases in energy. There's also a clashing cycle, whereby the receiver has its energy weakened, but the giver, or rather the clasher, the energy of the clasher remains unchanged. Yeah. And I also learned that it's very important to understand the concept of the 5 elements and the various cycles to truly understand the chart. It's very important to know the 5 elements like the back of your hand. I also learned more in-depth details about the 10 heavenly stems and what they mean. So the top stems actually reflects the future and the present, whereas the lower stem actually represents the past. But when it comes to Qimeng, we are more interested to know about the current situation and the future as well, because all this have yet to happen and there's still a chance to change it, whereas the past is really set in stone. I also learned about 2 different types of charts. One is the full yin chart, which means that things will become very draggy and slow and even depressing. The other chart is the fan yin chart, which represents sudden, drastic, and quick changes. So every layer in Qimeng Tunzi actually tells a story, and the deeper I go and the more I practice, I see how everything works, and I realize that there's actually so much more to learn and understand. And this is my reflection for lesson 3. Thank you.